Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to take you hot rodding in a 1946 Ford Super Deluxe. This baby is beautiful in the sun. That old school feel. If you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime myself or Jay do a video. And for this test drive video, it's a chance for you to see it out in the sun. How does it sound when it's driving? What's it feel like? Kind of puts you in a virtual test drive, like it said, like you'll be in the front seat with me. For all the additional information, engine size, pictures of the undercarriage, inside the trunk, everything, going over to volocars.com. We have the write-up, the pricing, and then go on and give sales department a call. This is so awesome. All right, let's hop on in. Door opens with ease. Seat's comfortable here. I like how the pinstripe outside, they brought it in as well. Same great craftsmanship that they've put it down. There we have your cluster gauge right there. Fuel, oil, battery, engine temp, it's reading high. That one might not be working, but this one down here is. They do have the additional gauge for you. Let's go ahead and start her up. And it has a radio, missing a little knob, but it kicks on, and that antenna, you can manually put it up so you can get more of the stations. Has your tachometer there, the clock. Not sure if that one works or not. And I work in the shop, so this is the first time we get to take it out onto the road. And so we're gonna find any type of hiccups it has together, and then we'll take it back in the shop and take care of it. This is really, really well maintained in here. Seats, everything looks pretty much new. Let's go ahead, we'll buckle up here. Oh, how come I'm having troubles here? There you go. Clicks right in. All right, e-brake's off. Let's go. These big old steering wheels come in handy in these cars, but it still turns relatively easy because of that. So I'm gonna start off just getting a feel for it. Then I'll get it up to a little faster speed later on in the video. I know the speedo's not working right now, so we'll just go ahead and reconnect that. Usually it's just the guys go through or fixing it up and everything, and don't forget to hook back up the speedo. Drive's really great. It's probably the road just veering off a little bit, but if not, we'll take it on over to the alignment shop. Taking on the bumpy road, see how solid she sounds. And get on her a little. cruise. I'd love to take this just around to car shows, driving around town. This thing will turn heads. Good turning radius. Something this old and only just a little bit of play in the steering wheel. That's awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. This is really a blast in these old school cars. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com for the whole write-up, pricing, all the pictures, and then give sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.